Spirituality is the search for meaning in life. It's about understanding who we are, why we are here, and how we are connected to everything around us. It is not limited to any religion. Anyone can be spiritual, whether they follow a religion or not. At its core, spirituality is about inner peace and connection. It is a personal journey that helps people feel calm, focused, and balanced. Some people find spirituality through prayer or meditation. Others feel it through nature, music, art, or helping others. Spirituality often involves asking deep questions. Questions like, what is the purpose of life? What happens after we die? How can I live a better life? These questions don't always have clear answers, but exploring them can bring comfort and guidance. Many spiritual people try to live with kindness, compassion, and gratitude. They focus on becoming better human beings. They often believe that everything in life is connected, and that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. Spirituality can also help people cope with difficult times. When life gets hard, spiritual beliefs can offer hope and strength. It gives people a sense that they are not alone, and that their life has meaning even during struggles. It's important to understand that spirituality is a personal experience. What feels spiritual to one person may not feel the same to another. There is no single path or rule. Each person finds their own way. In today's busy world, many people are turning to spirituality to slow down and find balance. They are looking for peace in their hearts and minds. They want to live with more awareness and purpose. To be spiritual doesn't mean escaping the real world. It means living fully with open eyes and an open heart. It means being honest, present, and connected to what really matters. Spirituality is not about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions and being open to growth. It's a journey, not a destination, and every step on this journey brings us closer to understanding ourselves and the world around us.